Yo, what's good, guys? I was just about to start this video and I saw this sick, I think it's an M8. It's either an M8 or it's a 850i. Look at that. Oh, it's an 850i. These things are so nice. They're huge. He's parked in a wheelchair. What's going on, guys? Back again with another video, and in this video I'll just be running a couple errands in my 2012 BMW F30 335i. Yeah, I'll just bring you guys along with me. Maybe stop by the bank. I need to go to the ATM for something and grab a few stuff at the dollar store. Some little poop bag things for my dog. But yeah, I'll just bring you guys along, give you guys some pulls, let you hear some pops, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Look at that audio over there. Nice, it's lowered. But yeah, the first stop I'm gonna make is probably the dollar store or something to get some poop bags for my little puppy, because I see people be buying some expensive ass poop bags. I'm like, nah, I'm not spending no extra money on that. Like, you're literally just putting shit in it. You really don't gotta be expensive. Very windy. Hey, I'm leaving Sunday. Today is Friday and I'm leaving Sunday for like 10 days, so I'm just gonna pre-record some videos so I can upload for you guys when I'm there. But yeah, there's nothing in the apartment right now because I didn't stock up on anything too much because I know I'm gonna be leaving soon, but there's no water there. I need to get some water bottles, so I'm just gonna grab that as well. So maybe the dollar store first, then I maybe get the water at like a grocery store or probably like a gas station or something, because I don't need like the big package or nothing. And then I'm just gonna stop at the bank. I need to put some cash on my card, because if you guys don't know, like I sell car parts and stuff, like mods, mostly exterior parts, muffler tips, stuff like that. So mostly when people buy them, they'll pay cash mostly. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that cash onto my card. If you guys want anything though, feel free to hit me up in the comments. I'm gonna put my Facebook, because I mostly sell on Facebook right now. I'm working on a website, but I'm gonna put my Facebook in the description just in case some of you guys are like in Ottawa, Gatineau, or anywhere in Canada, because I do shipping as well. If you guys want anything, I have a bunch of parts, you know, all the parts on my car are stuff that I actually sell. Like, I put my own parts on my car. You know, it's a good form of advertising. That Volkswagen is pretty nice too. I can also just post like fun stuff there, like when I'm on the beach or on the resorts or anything. I'm not sure if you guys want to see that or you guys only want to see car content, but let me know in the comments. I'm gonna record it regardless, so I might post it or I might not. Just let me know what you guys think. I might post that as well if you guys want to see it. I think the dollar store is over here. I almost missed it. You roll my window down, you guys can hear them pops. I might have just gotten the most childish thing. I remember these little guns as a kid. It like shoots like actual fire, but nothing comes out of it. And I got the poop bags at first. Look at the F30 there. This car never fails to amuse me. This looks so good. If you guys get one of these cars, trust me, lower it, get wheel spacers, it's gonna look 10 times better. This little thing is sick though. I haven't seen these things in so long. The last time I saw one of these little toys, this specific toy gun, I was probably like younger than 10 years old. I'm 20 right now. It shoots out fire and everything. Like, nothing comes out of the gun, but they're sick. These places are not made for like people with low cars. You gotta be really careful when driving. I've been scraping my lip so much. It only happens when I drive on the roads that I don't know though. Okay, so I just got the water, so my last stop should just be the bank, and I should just head home. Maybe edit this video as soon as I get there. That guy's, you don't usually see stuff like that. That guy's nice. But yesterday I almost lost my keys, because I always put my key on like my pants, because I have like the little hook thing, like this thing, but it's only good if I'm wearing jeans that has like a loop, you know. But just on jogging pants like this, I usually just like hook it onto the top, so it doesn't really stay there. It's not very secured, but it usually stays. But yesterday it fell off in my house, but my car was already started, and I got all the way like 40 minutes away from my house. Damn, look how bad this is. So low, bro. But yeah, I got like 40 minutes away from my house, and then jeez. But yeah, so I turned my car off and the car wouldn't start. Had to Uber all the way back home to get my keys. Went back 40 minutes out where my car was. But yeah, I had to go all the way back for my car just because my keys fell off in the house. I don't know how I didn't hear it nor see it, but these speed bumps here are so bad. They look like they're nothing, but trust me, they will fuck your car up. Oh my god. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't like to keep cash. I like to keep all my money on my card. Sometimes it's good to have cash because sometimes you can get better cash offers. But I don't like to have cash. I feel like I'm just gonna lose it. Okay, that's all done. Should be everything I gotta do today. Set to the car. It's the only car in the lot. It's so dead today though. It's Good Friday. I thought it would be more busy everywhere, but it's really not. I thought people went out. I have no clue. If Good Friday's the day you stay in or you go out, I have no clue. I just do the same thing every day. If I'm not working or at school, I'm just making videos. Look at that Porsche. Damn. Big red calipers. Probably gonna give you guys like 2 more pulls or so. I'll just end the video off. Not sure how long it is. funny thing, there's always cops on these roads, but I've never gotten pulled over. I've never been pulled over once. Damn. Nah, there's a bunch of people walking though. I feel like some people get so mad at the pops, but it is what it is. But hey, thank you guys for watching this video again. I'm just gonna end it off right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'm gonna see if I can record another video today, maybe one more tomorrow, just so I can upload while I'm gone. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the support. We're at 3K subs. That's crazy. I just got to 1K like last month, and I'm already at 3K, so we're growing crazily fast. Thank you guys so much for the support and everything. Leave a comment if you guys want to see anything, and yeah, thank you for watching the video again, and damn, I'll catch you guys in the next one.